Have you ever felt overwhelmed by certain people constantly commenting or liking your posts and stories on Instagram? So, you want to hide your posts from them. I will tell you tricks to hide your posts from them. Step 1. Blocking users on Instagram. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap on the menu option, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll to Blocked Accounts. Tap the plus icon, search for the person, and then tap Block. If you don't want to block them, then follow these. Step 2. Removing followers. Go to your profile, tap Followers, find the person you want to remove, tap the three dots next to their name, and select Remove. After removing, make your account private. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, click on Account Privacy. Then, toggle on a private account. Now, they cannot see your post without following you. Remember, if you are using a business account, you can't make that account private. Step 3. Limiting the post's visibility. While you are posting, look for the Audience option. Click on it. Then, choose Close Friends to limit the post's visibility. Click on Add People. Here, don't select the person with whom you want to hide. Click on Done. Again, click on Done. Then, share your post. A green icon shows it's for close friends only. And that's it.